If you are looking for a digital marketer to boost your online presence, to grow your business, to boost your business, then you are at the right place. Assalamu Alaikum. I am a professional digital marketing specialist, providing all kinds of digital marketing services. I am a digital marketer and I am thrilled to welcome you to my digital space. With 3+ years of experience, I am providing all kinds of digital marketing services, including website design, website SEO, social media marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube marketing, and so more. In the dynamic world of digital marketing, I have had the privilege of working with diverse clients and projects. From crafting compelling content to devising a strategic social media campaign, my journey has been an exciting one. I'm specializing in social media marketing, website design, website SEO, content marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, and YouTube marketing, so more. I bring a holistic approach to digital marketing. It's not just about one strategy, it's about weaving a tapestry of tactics that align with your unique goals and visions. What drives me is the incredible power of digital marketing to transform businesses. It's not just about reaching audiences, it's about crafting meaningful connections and driving real, measurable results. I am passionate about helping businesses thrive in the digital landscape. My approach is rooted in collaboration, innovation, and relentless pursuit of excellence. I believe in staying ahead of the curve, embracing new technologies, and tailoring strategies to fit each unique client's. Your success is my success, and I am committed to delivering results that matters. When you choose work with me, you are not getting just a digital marketer. You are getting a dedicated partner. I bring a blend of creativity, data-driven insights, and a genuine desire to see your business thrive. Let's turn your digital dream into a reality. So are you ready to take your business to the next level? Let's connect. If you have any more questions or need further information, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for stopping by.